Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by today. After the massive success of my best-selling book, The Ultimate Retail Manual, Strategies for Retailers to Thrive and Succeed in the Digital World, which is now in 23 countries worldwide and has 65-star Amazon book reviews, readers from around the world started asking for an online course to supplement the manual. I truly believe in listening to my audience, so I decided to create the Ultimate Retail course, Become a Retail Rockstar, which is an inclusive, comprehensive, and engaging retail and business course. My name is Jeffrey P. McNulty, and I am the founder of the Ultimate Retail course, Become a Retail Rockstar. I am considered a hybrid in the business world, as I have 30 years of hands-on industry experience as an executive leader for the Home Depot, Lowe's, Barnes & Noble, Shopko, PetSmart, Toys R Us, Publix, Festival Foods, and 18 years of experience as a Retail Market Research Analyst. I am the founder and CEO of New Retail Ethos, which assists retailers and businesses with alleviating and addressing common pain points through consumer insights, anticipatory intelligence, and retail research. The Ultimate Retail course is a 5-week online course that is inclusive, comprehensive, and engaging. In this course, you will receive my 10-pillar proprietary strategies that were achieved through empirical results versus theoretical ideas, a free copy of the Ultimate Retail Manual, and newly added and requested from numerous students 2 one-hour mentoring sessions with me. I personally lived each pillar and can guarantee the efficacy of each pillar when executed consistently. The Ultimate Retail course is for any retail employee or leader, from an entry-level employee up to the C-suite executive, human resources professional, founder, CEO, business owner, entrepreneur, intrapreneur, college student, high school student, or retail and business intern. The Ultimate Retail course contains the following: 87 lessons divided over 5 weeks, 10 pillars divided into 40 videos, 10 hours of total content divided into 40 mini booklets, 10 assessments and 1 final exam, lifetime access to all course materials, videos, and updates, and a certificate of completion. Here is a small sample of what you will receive in the course. Learn how to attract and retain top-tier talent in your organization. Learn how to prepare for and conduct the optimal interview. Learn how to conduct a performance review ethically, efficiently, and effectively. Learn the strategies required to promote the right leaders. Learn successful, innovative merchandising strategies that will increase revenue. Learn how to utilize the silent salesman to increase revenue. Learn how to execute the big small rule to increase revenue and profitability. Learn how to create an experiential retail or business environment for your guests. Learn successful techniques to create healthy work-life alignment for your leaders. And learn why the retail apocalypse is hyperbole. Investing in yourself and your employees is always a winning proposition. Thank you for your support and patronage of the Ultimate Retail course. Are you ready to become a retail rock star? I look forward to our future mentoring sessions.